Yo guys, today I'm going to show you how to do guest posting and build backlink to your website. You already know you will not you will not rank your website on Google without backlink from other websites. So you can build. There has more ways to build backlinks. So guest posting is one of the best way to build backlinks. So I will show you how to build backlink to your website using guest posting. First of all, you have to find guest posting website. To do that, you can go to Facebook and search guest post group. After that, go to group tab. Then you will see groups, lot of groups which related to guest posting. So if you go inside that group, join with those group and they will approve. After that, go inside that group. So in there has their URL, their guest posting website URL. As example, free guest post available on this website. So you can write good article and submit to this person. After that, also you can add your website link on that article. So he will upload your content on his website. So you will get backlink from that person. So that person's website, that means you built one backlink from that website. So this is really great way to increase your domain authority and domain ranking. Also come to Google first page. So now I will show you how to find best way to find niche related guest posting website. So as example, think you are running a website related to traveling niche. So you need to find traveling niche related website or guest posting site. So to do that, go to search this group text field and search traveling. Then it will filter all traveling guest post website. So as example, there has I need link from, this is a request, so what we need website. So this is a website. So there has two website that traveling related needs. So DR is 50 and DA is 42, and this website, there has two website. This website has DR 39, DA 44. So this is a really great website. It look like really great. So that is one way to find website URL, guest posting website URL. So if you scroll down, you will see lot of them. Also you can post on this page, this group. So only you have to create a post. So click write something and write I need. So you can write post like that. So I need guest posting website related to traveling niche, and DA mean domain authority must be 15 plus. So when you try to get backlink from other website, check that website domain authority and domain rating. So domain authority must be at least 10 plus. I mean, if you get backlink from low DA website, you will not that backlink will not highly effective. So if you can find a domain authority more than 15, you will build high quality backlink. Also you can now you can post this post, and people will Facebook users will submit their website, or they will ask to direct message. So that is the second way to get niche related backlink, find niche related backlink guest posting website. So now you need to verify those websites are actually those websites have domain authority as they said. So as example, like search traveling again, traveling, leave this place. Okay, I copy this website URL and I go to Google and search check domain authority, and you will see lot of software like this. So I will select Ahref. In Ahref you can check domain rating, so I copy paste the URL and click on check website authority, and its DRA domain rating is 39. So if I go here and check, it's DR 39. So if you need to check domain authority, you can go to MOS and click on MOS Pro and go to MOS Pro Home, then click on keywords research and click on site overview. After that, paste that link here and click on analyze. Then you will see the domain authority is 43. That means this domain is really high domain. So if you create good article and put your link on that article and submit to those guys, you will get high quality backlink. So that is how you can get high quality backlink from guest posting. So there has free way and paid way, so always choose free way. So if you that is the healthy way. So yeah, that is how you can find guest posting website. So I think I cover all of them. So after you write your article, you can contact those guys. So as example, you write an article for this website. So this website, so you can contact this guy and direct message him. After that, he will explain you how you can submit your article, and this is how you can find free guest posting website. So if you want to live process step by step process of this, just let me know. I will show you how I do it. So I will see you in next one. Bye bye.